Alright, all the etch is sanded and ready for epoxy, but it's too humid to paint right now or spray, so yeah. Plus it's thundering outside, actually thundering, lightning, rain, all that cool stuff, and I don't want to get halfway through and had the power go out. That would just suck. So in the meantime, I've been putting stuff back on the car. Well, alright, just the radiator, the core support, hoses, transmission cooling lines, complete with Teflon tape. So if that's a mistake, anybody, let me know. I know SRV Jedi Knight likes Teflon tape on connectors. So, and my hood latch bracket. So everything's on here loose, so I can move it all around. So when I put on the fenders and the inner wheel wells, or inner fenders, whatever you call those, I can shimmy and move stuff, and then when I'm happy with how it looks, then I'll tighten everything down. So, yeah, closing in on it. Anthony, you better keep pedaling or riding a bike for real, or jogging in place, or, you know, whatever it is you do to sweat off the pounds.